Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful umber bags transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish gradient effect and less overlay bag. Crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Bags and embellishment colored clutch, add buttons, beads or embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. And latest style, different unique ideas. So I hope you like it my video. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to handbags. And latest beautiful style. Handbags trend, explore the latest trend in handbags, including styles, colors and materials, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. Handbags gifting ideas. If you're looking for a gifting, consider gifting stylish handbags to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade option, different and beautiful. So I hope you like it guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Feel free to ask for more information or details or any of this idea. Take care, bye bye and see you soon.